Hey there, welcome back to Hustle. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been highly requested: dropshipping using Shopify. If you're looking to start an e-commerce business with minimal upfront investment, dropshipping might be the perfect avenue for you. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process of setting up a dropshipping store using Shopify. So, if you're excited to learn, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Step 1. Sign up and choose a plan. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to Shopify's website and sign up for an account. Don't worry, they offer a free trial to get you started. Once you're in, choose a plan that suits your needs. Shopify has different pricing tiers, so select the one that aligns with your business goals. Step 2. Select a domain name. Your domain name is like your store's address on the internet. It should be catchy, easy to remember, and relevant to your niche. In the Shopify dashboard, navigate to the Online Store section and click on Domains. You can either purchase a new domain through Shopify or connect an existing one you own. Step 3. Choose a theme. Appearance matters, especially in the online world. Shopify offers a range of themes that determine how your store will look. Head to the Online Store, Themes section to browse through the options. Pick a theme that matches your brand identity and is user-friendly. Step 4. Customize your store. Now comes the fun part: customization. You can add your logo, change colors, and tweak the layout to make your store unique. Shopify's drag-and-drop editor makes this process straightforward, even if you're not tech-savvy. Step 5. Find dropshipping suppliers. The heart of dropshipping is partnering with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping. You'll find these suppliers on platforms like Oberlo, Spocket, or Salehoo. Browse their product catalogs and import items you want to sell directly into your Shopify store. Step 6. Set up payment and shipping. Time to make things official. Set up your payment gateways so customers can pay for their orders securely. Additionally, configure your shipping settings. Since your suppliers will handle shipping, you need to decide on the shipping times and costs you'll display to your customers. Step 7. Launch your store. It's showtime. Before launching, double-check everything, from product descriptions to checkout processes. Once you're satisfied, click that Launch button and your store will go live. And there you have it, your very own dropshipping store with Shopify. Remember, success in dropshipping takes time and effort. You'll need to market your store, optimize your products, and provide excellent customer service. But with dedication, you can turn your dropshipping venture into a thriving online business. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more e-commerce tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.